We have seen the structure of financial statements in earlier chapter. A balance sheet discloses various assets and liabilities, while an income statement shows incomes and expenses. As we have seen, the balance sheet equation is owner's fund plus external liabilities equals assets, or owner's fund equals assets minus external liabilities. It shows that total assets are equal to total liabilities. This equality arises due to specific system of maintaining books of accounts to record various transactions. We shall discuss the entire process of recording various transactions in a systematic manner to arrive at financial statements. But as of now, let's start with the classification of accounts. An account is a statement which shows all transaction related to a particular party, asset, liability, income, and expense. The types of accounts are personal account, real account, nominal account. A personal account related to some party like individual, bank, firm, company, etc., is known as personal account. The personal account may be for natural persons. For example, Sam's account, David's account. Also for artificial persons, like Apex Cement Limited account, KP and Company account. And representative persons, like, for example, prepaid insurance account, outstanding salary account. Real accounts. Real accounts are related to assets. Anything of material value or usefulness that is owned by a person or company is termed as asset. An asset results into future benefit to an organization. Some examples of real accounts are building account, plant account, furniture account, cash account, goodwill account, etc. However, it may be noted that accounts of any parties, like debtors account, bank account, are always treated as personal accounts, though they may be assets. Nominal accounts. The accounts for recording income, expenses, losses, and gains are classified as nominal accounts. For example, wages account, salaries account, insurance premium account, rent received account, etc. Thank you for watching, guys. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and leave your valuable advice below. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss an update, and share it with your friends.